Hello student, today we are going to learn chapter number 9, symmetry. First, what do we mean by symmetrical? Let's see. Observe this leaf. The leaf have number of veins. In the middle there is a long vein along the leaf. Okay, if we fold this leaf into this vein, then this part of leaf exactly fall on other part. See, this part of leaf exactly fall on another part. Therefore, this leaf is called symmetrical and this line is called symmetrical line. Understood what is meant by symmetrical? Now see another example. See, this is a triangle. If we fold this triangle into the middle, see, in this line, then this part of triangle exactly fall on other part, means this is a symmetrical along this line. Now see, if we fold this leaf in another way, like this is not symmetrical. Okay, if we fold in this way, not symmetrical. But if we fold in this way, this is a exactly this part fall on other part. This is called symmetrical. Also, this triangle is also symmetrical. Now, if the two parts of the figure made by a line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. Now, what is meant by not symmetrical? Let's see. This is a triangle. If we fold this triangle into this way, the one part of this figure not exactly fall on other part. If fold in another way, also this part of figure not fall on another part exactly. Now if fold this way, not, means this figure is not symmetrical. Now the definition of not symmetrical: if two parts do not fall exactly on one another, then the figure is not symmetrical about that line. Understood what is meant by symmetrical and non-symmetrical? Symmetrical means the two parts of figure exactly fall on one another, and not symmetrical means the two parts of figure not exactly fall on one another. Okay, thank you.